Everybody social media like can't go see yourself no year want to or be a following and celebrate. Basically no friend who celebrate.
Eh, don't be a friend celebrate.
Yeah.
And then one no.
No, me blame you na.
Obia bet me abe.
Obi me celebrate na.
You people you are laughing. You are laughing.
You can't go see yourself 2-3 days, 1 week. Oh, you are celebrating.
Obenya
followers mo.
Yes, some power I celebrate you.
Obenya followers. Hey Jimmy, you kwasi yourself na head. You kwasi na baby jet.
Oh, Ola mo kotie. Yes. Apart from only blaster players now we are celebrities now. It's hard to call somebody a celebrity. Who is a celebrity? We are way back Ghana now wako high helicopter. And in the air pen attention. Are you a celebrity? People told me we saw some celebrity who high helicopter they confirm him say Cardi B abentino. One who say, oh, now it's helicopter, no one who say, celebrity, do you have to impress somebody to know you?
Any day.
Now, what's the word you'll be any more that about worldwide, Europe, Asia, Australia, South and North America will be anymore. You don't have to prove nothing to nobody. Strong, all I want.
Yes.
It's in a day. Omo buani ase wom se wo se ho asem na woka ba me so eno na me de be example omo buani ase pa asem ketwa so etini ye se ye benya o se me ba to se ka wait my
Ewola monko palago mufasa ewola monko Allah wallahi Katama
Dale Professional.
Educating conformity.
Professional.
Say, you see. Celebrate. Oh no. Also way. How they count near address things. It doesn't make you a celebrity.
Yeah, I know.
Also, yeah, social media. How do you call it? Influencer.
It's very good.
Bravo. Eti no me pese o kire nkofo ye ka so bi a celebrity.
Celebrity ne de eno wa ti wo ya o. Ghana celebrity se wo hon de ka so bi a celebrity a. Asemo jan mo sa blaster players ne de obi a celebrity.
Right.
Because at the highest level. We are well known worldwide.
Yes.
What you say we celebrate you guys. So and your friend is celebrity. And your celebrity ni say wakoto Mary Kay makeup no one tadi bi fashion over bi ase now they be trap picture here editing to Instagram na chese your celebrity. Yeah na mo ye. And your celebrity ni say watch 1 or 2 movies be baby. Also your celebrity. There's more work into
because
it.
How much like on there me person make kasaba ye how much no be one way aba we say you celebrity because me know because school secondary school na me do you know baby I mean so me do no me who celebrities you know you come more for me maintain ma bia si na dia me dia to ko pass obi aso nka bi
Ghana celebrity se wo no kakra bi celebrity se wo kakra bi so ati ase by say internet am ga say internet environment no obi so a celebrity so na me chono yes so e was type of level bi wo ho a no e bedum re bi no ye be free celebrities mo be celebrity here because we on the way for more near my we are no for Ghana and worldwide no. That's why a more type of Mokaliban from celebrities.
Fans see preach on, obviously preach on, obviously they all can, and one all can.
Yeah, true story. Story. And your celebrity they say, what quiet or two and answer what quiet or now they are putting your pictures, be the other to Instagram. Now, to two quite hunu. Now to fake designer share, and they bet to near you and when you and I had you and I'm waiting you and one way, Omunia celebrities. Omunia slave, I'm from a low slave queens. So I say, almost a who's from physical, say, Omano Casacrano, Omut me to Nipa that's an info, until then I just saw me a celebrity. On a mission. I have to be a man or Casana, maybe a me poor, but as some more time, let's make us say, the whole Ghana. What now? Yeah, celebrity because what about Captain Ban and the Aqua World Cup? On a mission.
Yeah.
Bishop for crying more time, Ghana president. Etimeno, I am the same one Casa Muna, we are celebrity Casipano. Who Busasa question he say, who is a celebrity?
I think because Charlie says, I don't know, I'm not, I don't know. What's that? Social media now, they be who addressing who celebrate you.
David, you made a maybe some of them because I'm a celebrity crown very much because I'm person, and I'm no maybe way no, maybe a social media influencer, I'm entertainer. What I say, I'm on the way to be celebrated. What I say, I'm putting more work into it. And do not break it down. Yeah,
no, yeah, or be Casa, or be say in a church or a celebrity.
David, celebrity. Nobody you, the word celebrity. Yes, celebrity. Celebrity, Pena, a best story, Aquatina, baby, 10 hours or train, Cardi B, say, or American buy into war channel. Who saw a celebrity, or brand the song. Now, what's now, Moyamu Bawi, 25 was 26 years. What's now our channel? Our hotel, no better. Oh no, who are monocrossing? So who's what is going on? No, that's not to see some way celebrities. No one that say, oh, are these girls celebrities as they are saying, you know, how can they sit and wait for me? Oh, be surprised.
Yeah.
Strong. It's not even was here, guess you dear Guyanadi. I am a to say, most of the ones are in Ghana 40.
I do it. Well, I would have overcome whatever. We have the program ready. Breaking it down, mommy. Let's
make the example. Some of the example natural.
Okay.
Example natural. Because Ghana on celebrities are on North. Yeah. And the cast as a more was a penalty who be dinner champion or a celebrity.
Yeah.
To say Indian now, I'm not phoning war. That's what we call a celebrity worldwide. To be known worldwide, you know. And you say what's a Ghana I sugar daddy be I don't go Dubai. I know go buy house we a celebrity.
Palado mo pasa.
Hey, wala manko.
Charlie, where the day? Where the day?
I was all coming be strong much say a gradual process. And yeah makeups and they will 12 be ya na say we design our best no and I just say ebi mo so mo ya lawyer o mako school na mo yam ba we wako gina o twen no ebi no mo kunu mu nyina gina ho twen o ebi mo di speed akofo elevator nyina ho and guasie say celebrities all Ghana oh wala man ko tie yeah